Hey, how's it going? My name's Nate and welcome back to another episode of Howell Farms. Today we're going to talk about why I bought a Kubota. First thing, let's talk about the exact make and model of this Kubota. This is a Kubota L225. These were produced between 1974 and 1976. This is a 24 horsepower tractor, 16 horsepower at the drawbar, and 20 horsepower at the PTO. This is a great little tractor. I love it. We've used it a lot already in the short amount of time we've had it. One of the main reasons I bought this size Kubota is because I have a 2006 Ford Explorer and I got a 14-foot trailer. I needed something that could fit on my trailer that I already had, and my truck that I already had could pull it. And this tractor will do just that. Now, with the bush hog, you have to pull the tractor up backwards and put the wheel over the tongue and chain it down, but it'll fit. The rest of the implements, you can pull it straight up. Now, when I bought this tractor, it came with a finish mower, a bush hog, a box blade, and a disc. Now, I got a pretty good deal on it all. These tractors usually go for between $3,000 to $5,000. I got mine a little less than that, but it was a family deal, and it all worked out. Now, when you buy these tractors, they're old. I get it. They're used. You're probably going to have to do some maintenance to it. When we got this one home, we had to do just that. Now, we already knew the steering was broke, so we got it home. We started stripping all that down to get the steering column out. And we got on eBay and we found one. We ordered it. We put it in. Now, when we took the steering column out, we realized the rear axle seal was leaking. And that was a whole ordeal to take that off. But it took about 5 days. We got it all separated. And this tractor had been together since it was made. No one had taken it apart. So we had to pick, scratch, and cut around where the two cases meet to get the gasket to separate. And once we did that, we realized the lower pin that holds the arms on my lift was rusted to the case. So we kept spraying it, working on it, spraying it, working on it. We finally worked it off that pin that was rusted. Now, you have to pull all that off because there's a nut on the inside that you have to take off the axle to get the whole axle to slide out to change the oil seal on the end. So we got all of our parts, put it all back together, and we finally quit leaking. So we thought. It still leaks a little bit. I'm going to have to rework it a little bit and get it to stop. Now, the next thing we had to do, we had to change the coolant line because when we picked it up, it was spraying coolant everywhere, and we cranked it, put it on the trailer. And we also had to change the water pump because it was leaking a little bit. Now, this may not be the prettiest tractor you've ever seen, but it'll get the job done. This tractor will do the same exact work as a brand new tractor for way less money. So if you're in the market for looking for a tractor and you're like, man, they're just out of reach, I can't do it. Yes, you can. Just don't go looking for a brand new one. Find you a tractor like this. You can fix it up. And once you fix it up, you know exactly what you have. This thing has done bush hogging for me. It's plowed up some fields with a middle buster, dissed it. We've planted. We've even used the box blade for some work already. All right, so there you have it. That's why I bought my Kubota, and that is why I love my Kubota. You can't beat the price, the durability, and what all these little tractors can do for the little amount of money you have to pay for them. All right, well, until next time, we'll see you on the farm.